stepn GMT especially is expected to explicitly arrive at a really most extreme cost of $1,000 to 1 constantly 2025, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Long-haul examination proposes that stepn cost might actually flood to $111.91 by 2050, with an essentially expected range somewhere in the range of $106.87 and $121.67, which truly is very critical. The cost of 1 GMT would especially reach as lovely high as $1 by 2030, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. There by and large is potential for stepn cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as especially high as $232.97 toward the finish of 2040. The ongoing business sector cost of 1 stepn in a real sense is $17,725. Starting around 17 February 2024, stepn most certainly is exchanging at $17,725 in term of its highest rate, with the value change of 59% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. GMT in every practical sense has a complete market cap of $372,744.90 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 234. This truly makes stepn GMT truly positioning at 127 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the stepn cost expectation end of 2024, what will stepn in every practical sense be truly worth in 2024 in a sort of huge manner? Is stepn a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024 in a really significant manner? Will GMT cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking high? These generally are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the GMT cost in a real sense is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of $18.44. The normal truly least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $2,708, which for the most part is very huge. Besides, GMT can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of $44.77, so there fundamentally is essentially potential for stepn cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as genuinely high as $232.97 toward 2040 in a truly significant manner's end. Stepn value expectation February 2024. Stepn cost basically is supposed to reach between $126.16 to $143 in February 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of GMT for the February truly remains around $8.61 GMT value figure walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, stepn in a real sense is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $8.38. So these explicitly are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future. The GMT cost could especially arrive at a most extreme cost of $57, with the typical cost around $9.47 in an unpretentious manner. Stepn value expectation April 2024. The cost of stepn basically is truly anticipated to truly reach at least worth of $19.56 in April 2024 in a sort of significant way. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $205 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $65 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn GMT value gauge May 2024. The stepn GMT value for May 2024 may especially arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $51, while the really greatest squadge cost basically is around $358, which generally is genuinely critical. The typical cost for GMT is truly anticipated to reach $87 in May 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Stepn value forecast June 2024. The cost of stepn for the most part is truly anticipated to really reach at a sort of least worth of $206 in June 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. The GMT cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $4.85 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $315 all through 2024. Which truly is very critical. Stepn GMT value estimate July 2024. The stepn GMT cost for July 2024 may arrive at any rate worth of $23.05, while the greatest determined cost for the most part is around $651, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. The extremely normal cost for GMT generally is especially anticipated to explicitly reach $414 in July 2024, which really shows that most certainly is stepn an essentially wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. GMT Value Conjecture August 2024. The stepn gauge for August 2024 expects that the GMT may explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $788 with a really least cost of around $374, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Discussing the very normal value GMT can sort of stretch around $1483 for August. Stepn Value Gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the especially greatest cost for stepn could stretch around $362, or so they really thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in September 2024 truly is $3.51 with an especially normal cost of $85.87, which sort of is very critical. Stepn GMT Value Expectation October 2024. The cost for stepn in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $80 at $586 and $4 at 41, while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to, in every practical sense, be around $86 to $95, or so they most certainly thought. Stepn GMT Value Gauge November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of stepn fundamentally is for the most part anticipated to really arrive at an essentially normal cost of around $769, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $143 to 26 and a sort of least of $306 to 32, which by and large shows that this fundamentally makes stepn GMT positioning at 127 in the digital money market in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Stepn GMT Value Expectation December 2024. The cost for stepn in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $708 and $44 to 77, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $80.44, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Stepn sort of past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been generally diminished by 5% in its essentially current worth in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that we explicitly look at the very current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in a huge manner. Stepn fundamentally is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The GMT fundamentally is down to nearly 7-12% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for kind of past sort of couple of days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength for extremely at the same time. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in for the most part transient in a sort of significant manner. Stepn Value Conjecture 2024 Facts. What will be stepn truly?